Hey, Lavender. I hope that's how you pronounce your name. Just wanted to go over your assignments with you. The first thing I'm noticing right off the bat is right here you should have Pennywise, the name, the address, the 710 Pine Hill Road, Great Falls, and then the phone number. That all needs to be in here. I know it's up here, but it also needs to be in this box. And I know I've left feedback like 100 times saying it needs to be in that box. So we have 510. That was her date of admission. Female. What about the rest of the dates in here? You're missing all of that. So that needs to be in there. Okay, you are missing the nursery. This right in this box, it should say $250 per day. You're missing the code for the newborn hearing, which is 92587. You're missing the service units. There should be 1 and 1. You do have the total charges, which is there, and the total charge needs to go right here. I don't know why it's over there. It goes right here next to total. Okay, let's go down a little bit. We have the Medicaid, which is good. You have the correct number. Wasn't the insured her mother? Page Y. Oh my God, you have it. I'm so sorry. That's amazing. No one had it. So good for you. You're missing the number 03 here, and you're also missing the ID number here. So you need to get that in there. And you are, let's see. The treatment authorization, okay, that is correct. You are correct, but underneath here, the DX number, you're missing Z38.0. All right, let's go to your next one. Okay, we have Paula Short. All right, TRICARE, very good. This isn't the right number. The correct number is 512-354-820. Paula Short. Right here is where John's information goes. You're missing, this does not go, John goes over here. So this would be Paula Short, and this would all be same as patient. In box 11, you would put none. Make sure you have the correct birthday here. Isn't it in 1991? TRICARE, very good. And then we have the signature on file. Okay, you have the correct code here, and you do have the correct diagnostic pointer there. Good for you. That's great. Place of service, so close. It was 99203, not 201. But that was a great job here. Outside lab, you want to click no. So we have that information is correct. This is all good. The amount charged was the $59. We have the emergency room. And this is the doctor's name. This is Dr. Paul Tripp right here with this one. So let's go back to number 2, which should be Shauna Kerner. So we have Shauna. This is the it's 651894217. So I don't know where these first 2 digits came from, but just watch it just in case it was a mistake on your part. This is a group health insurance plan. We have, that's the correct date, Shauna Kerner. So same as patient, same as patient. And then under here, this is CH00200. Okay, you do have the Jeff, and you have that correct information here. All these are no, which is good. Signature, let's see, female. Student health insurance, great job there. Aetna, great job here. Not many people have that one either. Okay, you have the correct here. Where are you getting these answers from? That was a good job. Not many people had that one correct. The diagnostic pointer there. This one is 99212. So that was a good job. You're close. There. Okay. $29. Amount paid. Again, this is the doctor's name. This doctor this time was Dr. Nicole Penn. You have that down. You have the correct. This number, you're off on this number. The NPI number is 603917585. So I hope this video helps.